It was absolutely amazing. Yes, absolutely amazing. I got my signature linen spray, so I'm so excited and can't wait for the next one. It was great.
I love it. It's a great start, and I'm looking forward to do more.
Oh, I feel great. I feel it was very informative. It was a great class. It gave me a different perspective on how to approach finding a different fragrance. I just didn't know just how much a couple of drops of the same two fragrances can make a big difference.
Yes,
It
yes.
just gave me a whole nother perspective on the approach on finding a fragrance. I appreciate you, man. Thank you for the opportunity.
Man, awesome. Absolutely wonderful. I came here and I brung me 2 notes that I could never blend. And he gave me a cheat code. So this is hands down the best. Blending, man, he the man. Blending, awesome. I blended 2 notes that I could never make smell good. It's called patience too.
Patience.
I had to have patience and I got it. And I'm gonna keep coming back. We having one tomorrow and I'll be here.
Once a month.